13 minutes until they open. Hi, I'm Tony. We're here at Christo's Sports Bar and Grill, about to eat some of their Flaming A hot wings that I think are the best in PCB. Brought someone. This is my older brother.
Oh my god.
We're gonna do wings.
Hey, how are you?
Doing good. You?
Flaming A's, that's like their hottest. And then what do you normally get whenever you're just like eating wings?
I usually just get the regular hot wings.
Coca-Cola.
My brother is wanting to try the try your hottest, the Flaming A.
Oh, you see, I kind of feel like hot is a little bit hotter. But you eat hot more than any of us here.
We're gonna eat those as well. We'll get some of those as well. So.
Nice.
So you think the hot are hotter than the Flaming A?
You know, I don't feel like Flaming A is spicy enough. I mean, it's hot, but the hot just has a different kind of hotness to it.
What's the deal with the Flaming A? Like, what is that?
It's
Like,
just a mix of flavors.
okay, it's more like a spice mix.
It is. Yeah,
Okay, so it's not
good.
like it's not made to like kick your ass.
Some say. I
Okay.
don't.
Yeah.
I'm a very spicy person though.
It was very tormenting when I first tried them.
Was it? Okay, well then I would go with his input because you see he eats hot all the time. That's his go-to is hot.
Okay.
So if he thinks that Flaming A is hotter, do it.
We'll find out. We'll get some
right.
hot wings as well. And
Yeah.
see how that goes.
It's good to see you.
Awesome.
See ya. Are you excited?
I want to see you eat some wings.
But now for the bigger question. Are you hungry? Then enjoy.
Heck yeah, man.
I gotta admit, it's been a while since I've had one of these.
Okay.
And it's gonna be a little tough because it's hot. But
Okay.
And I'm gonna eat it without the ranch.
Okay.
Ready?
I'm ready. I got a good shot. Probably hot, like temperature hot. Is it hot? What do you think, man? Do you have a paper towel?
It's quick.
Where's your paper towel for you?
Think about the Flaming A is it hits you quick.
Yeah. Okay, let's see what's on this.
Another Miller Lite. Another Miller Lite, please, and a Coke.
Oh wait, this tastes pretty good.
I know, right?
I'm not dying. It's got some heat to it, but it's not killing me.
Well, you're eating it with the ranch, man. So what'd you think?
I think it's good. I think it's tasty. Now the heat's kind of coming up more than I'm...
Well, like I said, you started off with ranch. Well, I did it pure.
Yeah, it's like creeping on me now.
You choose your flavor and your amount.
What? We're just gonna do the hot ones, right?
All right. Let's
Or
do
do you have like different types? Or
what are your other
We've had
options?
the Flamin' A, we have Ring of Fire.
What's Ring of Fire?
It's a little bit thicker of a hot sauce. We add a little bit of our barbecue and our black magic seasoning. It's got really good flavor.
Is it spicy?
let's get Ring of Fire and then some just regular hot ones.
5 of the Ring of Fires and 5 of the regular hot.
But the ranch.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Dope. Oh, dude. I kind of like coughed into my thing, and I get the vapor went into my eyes. My eyes are stinging.
Oh my goodness. That's such a rookie move.
I didn't know that was a thing.
It is a thing, man.
I didn't know.
Hot. Fish fry.
Yay!
Alright. So, how do you want to start with food first?
I don't know. I want to try that Ring of Fire. We did the Flamin' A, and then this is Ring of Fire, and then that's the straight up hot. So
Yeah, these are the ones I eat regularly.
Yeah. Okay, these are tasty. Yeah. You washing out? My eyes are watering. Are you okay? How you doing? You're just laughing. Maybe you don't do heat well.
And yet I keep doing it.
Have you ever thought about that? Maybe you don't.
You shut your dirty mouth. I'll definitely take up the challenge. Yeah. But you think with the amount of wings I eat, you think I would build up a tolerance?
Yeah, you think so?
Well, maybe to the hot ones.
So like normally you'll come here and you'll eat how many wings?
15.
Really? So today we just ate 15 between the two of us.
You're right. But like I said, I'm used to eating the.
Thank you.
I'm used to.
Sure to give him a good tip.
I'm used to eating the. I'm used to eating the hot ones all the time here. I guess it's just because I'm not used to the Ring of Fire.
See you guys later.
Yeah, take it easy.
Thank you. See you next time. So, tell me, what's your thoughts on the Ring of Fire and the regular hot ones?
I'm gonna hear your thoughts.
Well,
if you had to like rank them.
Well, I want to say that the Ring of Fire has to be the second hottest wings in there.
Are you sure? Because they're kind of good. They're kind of sweet.
I only said hot, but yes, they were really good. I normally like the taste of sweet and spicy.
Okay, so I'm gonna jump in here with you. So I think that the Flamin' A wings were the hottest. Like, and we still have sauce on our mouth. So that's awesome. They were definitely the hottest. I think that the Ring of Fire were delicious because they had more of a barbecue sauce, but then they did have some of the seasonings from, I think, the Flamin' A, and the fact that we ate the Flamin' A first, I think that just like carried the heat on.
Oh yeah.
And then the hot wings are just like, they're just like your regular hot wings. They're good hot wings, but just like the regular heat that you expect from that. But I think the fact that we ate the Flamin' A's first, it's just like that heat just never really left. That heat carried on.
Oh yeah, that heat lingers.
And I thought it was interesting that the waitress said that the hot wings she thought were hotter than the Flaming A's. I thought that was kind of interesting.
Yeah, but everyone has their own opinions on different kinds of the level of spicy.
I don't know. I don't know if I do spicy well or not. I like spicy stuff, but like my mouth was like pretty on fire.
And I do look
a lot of that.
And I do look like I'm very tormented and all about how spicy it is, but I also enjoy it a lot. Like, I enjoy the pain of spiciness.
Yeah, that was good. Dude, that place is so freaking busy. Like outside, inside right now, like every single spot is pretty well filled up right now.
Now you see why we have to get here right before it opens.
Yeah, otherwise you don't get seated, right?
Yeah, I mean, you saw how many people came in 10 minutes later.
Yeah.
A lot.
That's cool, man. So is it worth it? Christos, I mean, it's attached to a gas station. How good can it be?
I give it 5 stars.
Okay, 5 stars. Out of 5, I guess?
And 2 thumbs up.
And 2 thumbs up, okay. So is it worth it?
Every day.
Okay, every day it's worth it.
Every day it's worth it.
Every day, that's a thing. All right, cool. Got it.